In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall the Suntico connector. There are just three things to do. Firstly, if your connector is running, stop it. The next thing to do is to go to Control Panel and uninstall the program. You will find the Suntico connector here under Publisher Suntico. Select that and uninstall. Now the final thing you need to do is delete the Suntico folder on your computer. Find the Suntico folder under Program Files x86. Just select the folder and choose to delete. Your Suntico connector is now uninstalled.